Seasons keep shifting today like thoughts that won't stay in their place. I trace the lines upon my palm, seeking signs to guide me along. These crossroads stretch far and wide, each path calls with its own tide. Something pulls at my soul, but which way makes me whole? Round around the needle spins, each direction holds what might have been. My heart beats wild and strange, like a weather vane in the rain. Je suis perdu between